So hello everyone, myself Abhishek Sharma, and today I am going to show you like how can you can read your CSV or Excel files in Pandas. Okay, so let's open Jupyter Notebook first. So here I am going to open my Jupyter Notebook. If you don't have it, then you can install it. You can get many videos through YouTube that how you can download Jupyter Notebook or Anaconda uh, to your system. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, when you will open your Jupyter Notebook, then this interface will be in front of you. So you can just click on New and Python 3. So I have opened this cell. So I will show you like how you can create data frame and read your file. So let's start. Data frame. First of all, you will have to import pandas. Import pandas hpd. Import numpy as np, then data frame 1 is equals to pd dot read csv r to downloads. So I have already created one csv file, so I will show you that. See, test. This test file I have created for CSV. Okay, this is CSV format. So let's read it. Test.csv. I just need to write the path here, like test.csv. That's all. Let's run it. So see, you can see this data frame here, data frame 1. Okay, you can see here nan, not a number value, because this cell is null here. Okay, so this is CSV file. Now we will see Excel file. Data frame 2 is equals to pd dot read Excel r downloads test. So I have also created one Excel file like test x underscore x. So test underscore x dot xlsx. Data frame 2. So you can see this data frame also, like